Here's how to set up a YouTube custom RTMP stream. Now you will want to have both the YouTube page and Switcher Studio opened, both of those websites. We'll start at Switcher Studio, and the first thing you're going to need to do is log in. So come over here to log in, tap on it, enter your same email and password that you used to log in on your iOS device for Switcher Studio, and then tap login, and that's going to bring you to the Switcher Studio dashboard. Now there's this option over here called Custom RTMP. This is what we're going to click on, and we're going to click on Add New Channel. So that's going to open this up down here, and that's all we need to do on Switcher Studio for right now. So I'm going to now switch back over to YouTube. I'm already logged in. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account that you want to stream to. And the first thing you do is click on your image up here and then come down to YouTube Studio. From here, we can tap on Go Live. The Create will also work, but we'll hit tap here to go live. I'm going to go ahead and create a new stream. I recommend you do the same. Give it a name. I'm going to call this Custom RTMP since that's what we're doing. Choose if it's public, unlisted, or private. You'll probably want public so people can view it. Unlisted will give you the option where so just people with the link will be able to see it. But we're going to go public. Give it a description. I've put in my description. You can choose what type of video you're doing if you want. This will just tag it so people can find it easier. You can schedule it if you'd like. We're going to go live right now. Obviously, if you schedule it, you'll choose the time and date, or the day and the time that you're going to go live. We're going to not do that right now. One last thing you have to do is choose if it's made for kids or not. So you can choose yes if it is or no if it's not, and you can restrict that even more if you need to. I'm going to tap on Create Live Stream, and this is going to bring me to the kind of the dashboard here. In order for us to send video to YouTube, we need to take the stream URL and server key, stream key, and send those over to Switcher Studio. So this is where the custom RTMP bit comes in. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the stream URL. So I'll copy that. We'll come over here to the dashboard. And you can give this a name. So I'm going to call this YouTube RTMP. And here is where you'll type in that server URL. So you can just Command V, paste it in there. Make sure it's the right one. Same thing with the stream key. You see it says paste in encoder. That's what we're going to copy, and that's where we're going to put in right here, stream key. All right, that's all set. Now from here, you can set up the quality of your video. You can do a manual if you want. I really recommend using the speed test. It's going to do everything automatically for you. So we just go through, it's going to run, and it's going to set up, it's going to test your internet and set your video quality perfectly. So I'm going to save that, and our channel has been saved. I'll save it again just, for the sake of doing that, because that's what you tapped on here if you did a manual configuration. Now let's switch over to our iPad that we're already logged into. From here, we're going to have to go down to Custom RTMP. We'll tap on that, and make sure you tap this blue arrow next to it. You can swipe down if you already have it open to make sure it shows up, and you'll see YouTube RTMP is right there. I'll tap it, make sure the blue check mark's next to it. Go to Outputs. Again, make sure the blue check mark's next to it. I'm going to mute myself here. And now you're going to go live like you normally would. So I'll tap on the red button. So now we are streaming, but what we're really doing is just now sending the video to YouTube. A lot of people think right now we're live, but we're going to go back over to YouTube now, and here this stream will start showing up here as soon as it's going through. So this will usually take a couple seconds for it to come in, so we'll let that happen. As you can see, it's connected, and there is my video signal ready to go. So when you're ready to actually send this live, you have to actually tap this go live up here. We'll tap that. It says going live. And now, as you can see, we're live. To end the stream, tap end right up here. You'll get a warning. You can end it. And now you can go back in Switcher Studio. You can stop your recording and you're all set.